Hey guys, today if you're wondering, guys, get out, if you ever go in a game and someone has admin commands and they kidnap you, forest you, or do some other stuff, okay, so I'm going to show you. If you're scared to do it, don't worry, because I'm here to tell you. I'm here to tell you guys. Okay, let's just come on. I don't know what this is. Oh yeah, it's Banhammer. Right, that's fine to make it. Well, this isn't. Well, simply, this game's actually hacked. If you guys don't know, this game's actually hacked. There's a couple of inappropriate stuff in, but I'm not going to show you guys. Well, there we are. There's one inappropriate thing. That dead body. So happy. Yeah, so someone actually hacked this game on my account. Well, that isn't kind of inappropriate. Well, the blood is. But who cares? Okay, so first we're going to do the normal one. Kidnap me. Yep, there we are. Can't move. As you can see, I'm hitting my space button. We're going to see where the clown comes from. Oh, there it is. Hello clown, how you doing today? I'm going to try like shoot the clown. Yeah. So this one just like cuts you. Yeah, it's really laggy on my game for some reason. Well, my mouse isn't laggy. I'm gonna try block it. Okay, there we are. Yo, never tell me alive. But I just want some ice cream, please. It looks like poo. But who cares? Are you gonna get me or not? Because I don't really like. Oh, hello. How are you doing today? I'm going to delete your face because if not, it's really scary. Oh, he just kills me. Thank you. Oh, that knife. I'm really sad, thank you, you know. Okay, so that one just kills you. Hey, there it is. I'll shoot you. I'll find out where you live and I'll kill you. No, I don't wanna. No! I fell off it, you guys saw that, didn't you? You guys saw that. You guys freaking saw that. Okay, if we, there's actually one what's really scary. Okay, that one doesn't work, thank God for that. Because if not, I would have been scared, I would have pooped myself. Beatles me. This video might be something like 10 minutes long. So many Beatles. I've got so many admin commands. If you want admin commands on this game, just tell me and I'll give you them. Okay, so we're actually going to do commands. ban me.
But I would say on this brown spot, but if you kind of hit the mountain, who cares? If you hit the mountain, I'm gonna hit the mountain 3 times bounce. I'm gonna fly on top of the neighborhood and drive over top of the roof. You're cheating. No, I'm not cheating. I just won. You won. Yes. All right, finally won one.
VIP admin me. VIP admin now. Slash glass me. What's the new one? Oh god, that is bright. Quick. Slash me. Okay, so now we're gonna do see rod me. Okay, let's just find another one, okay? Kidnap, wait, ready? Sell me. Okay, by the way guys, if you want, look, get it? Look how many jails we are. Head admin, we've got Dan, admin, unban. Big Mom. Okay, so we're gonna do this ready guys, we're gonna do Forest me. Hopefully this will work. Yep, so this takes you to the forest. The forest is actually kind of creepy guys, so screw that. No. 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 No, please. Nothing. No one's in this game with me. No. 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 Okay. Okay guys, I hope you like that